Hello, welcome again to Habibi's Home Medical and Habibi's Durable Medical. And today, me, Jeffrey, and Tony are going to talk to you about the rollator Model S. The joke is that Model S stands for sweet because it is a very pretty rollator. As you can see, it is available in blue. It is also available in red and black. Now, today we're going to show you how to put this together because when we ship this to you, it's going to be shipped in a box like this. That helps us keep the costs down so that we can offer the free shipping. And now I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's like freaking Legos. Everything goes together easy as pie. Every spot has its place. I've already put the front wheels onto the frame, and you can tell the front from the back because the back has the reflectors on it so you can walk around in the evening in safety. Once you put the front wheels on, which do bolt, then comes the back wheels. The back wheels don't bolt, but they've got our little friends, the little pegs again, that pop right in and slide down, lock into place. Then the top, which also has the little pin on it, slides right in and down. And then we're going to do the other side here. Now, what is missing? Well, our backrest is missing, which slides right in to the little notch here, like so. And then you can adjust it up with this little knob on the side, which allows you to adjust it up or down. And then you tighten it in. This one goes up or down. And you tighten it on in. I'm going to show you a couple of features about this thing that make it kind of cool. And then, of course, we've got the bag, which can be carried with a shoulder strap as well. The bag is going to go right over the front pegs. As you can see, there's little loops in here, which are going to go right over peg here and peg there. Now, after you've put those on the peg so that you don't swing everywhere, you can take, strap that there, and strap this here. Look, we're almost done. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is this little thing? Well, this is actually a cane holder. I'm going to hold off on putting that on, and I'm going to show you a couple little features while we're sitting here. Like all rollators, it locks out the brakes. And we do suggest anytime you sit down or stand up in this thing that you lock the brakes. It also comes with something kind of unique. It has a little footrest, little foot pegs right here behind the wheels that allow you to sit and put your feet on something, push yourself up, unlock, and you're ready to go. This is the Model Rollator S, Model S. We sell a lot of these things. We sell them for a very reasonable price. We hope that this has helped you today and you can put one of these together now. And as always, if you do end up purchasing one of these from our website at www.gohhm or habibishomemedical.com, our number is on there and you can contact us anytime and we can send you this video, or we can generally talk you through putting this thing together. We'd appreciate any comments. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel for more information. And we look forward to seeing you again soon with more equipment. And hopefully pretty soon we'll have a shower stool up to show you how to assemble a shower stool that you may purchase from us. Thank you. Have a great day.